Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream preschool full guide. Begin by gathering ingredients and tools, then separate tasks for kids to keep things fun and safe. Use 2 zip-top bags, one for the ice cream mixture and one as a buffer, then seal tightly. Teach measuring with simple cups and spoons, let children shake or roll the bags, and celebrate the finished treat together with napkins and smiles. In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream preschool full guide. Try a simple recipe using easy measurements so kids can participate in pouring and stirring. Offer vanilla, fruit, or safe chocolate mix-ins and talk about flavors before mixing. Keep portions small to limit mess and waste, and use clear containers so children see the change from liquid to frozen texture. Always check for allergies and offer an alternative when needed. In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream preschool full guide. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for teachers on the move and messy activities. These comfy, durable socks handle spills, standing, and play with no fuss. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream preschool full guide. Model each step slowly and let one child try at a time while others cheer them on, keeping the pace calm and encouraging. Use visual timers and simple counting to make the shaking stage a game, and check seals for leaks before giving to children. Turn cleanup into a learning moment about responsibility and teamwork, and praise effort over perfection to build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.